The Elytra is a new ultra-light split keyboard from ElimKeys. I've been beta testing it for the past few weeks across 2 different setups at home. My main Mac-based desk setup and a more compact iPad Pro setup that I use when I want something a bit lighter and more flexible. It's been interesting to see how a split keyboard like this fits into both workflows, especially one that's clearly designed with portability in mind. The Elytra is currently in the middle of a successful Kickstarter campaign. I've left links to both that and the ElimKeys website down in the description. The unit I'm using here is a beta sample, so the final production version should be a little more refined, particularly around the seams and overall surface finish. I also don't have the retail box or any accessories, as I was only supplied with the keyboard and case. So in terms of specs, the Elytra is a compact 63 key split board, which makes it a versatile option for a wide range of setups. Thanks to its small footprint, it also works well as a travel keyboard, whether that's moving between rooms or throwing it in your bag for your commute. It's a fully multi-OS keyboard too, with support for Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS and Android. For connectivity, you can use it either wired over USB or wirelessly via Bluetooth, and it supports up to 3 Bluetooth devices, making it easy to switch between systems. It's a fully programmable keyboard, and with the Vial platform you can remap keys, create macros and customize shortcuts to suit your workflow. From a design perspective, the Elytra leans heavily into a slim, minimal aesthetic with a sleek profile that never feels bulky or over-engineered. It's machined from CNC aluminium and feels impressively solid, yet still comes in at just 420 grams, making it well suited to travel and more portable setups. The underside of the keyboard has a hollow biomimetic pattern that gives it a distinctive high-end look. On the front of each half are 2 small indicator lights that show charging and pairing status. Around the back, each unit has a power toggle and a USB-C charging port, but it's worth noting that only the left-hand port supports data. That's the one you'll need to use when connecting to Vial to configure or customize the keyboard. Of course, the split design is one of the Elytra's defining features, and it's something that has a real impact on day-to-day comfort. Having 2 separate halves lets you position each side independently, whether that's angled slightly, spaced wider apart, or pulled in close for a more conventional layout. It's a small change on paper, but in practice it gives you far more control over ergonomics and makes it easier to tailor the keyboard to different setups and working styles. The low-profile keycaps are made from high-quality PBT plastic and have a smooth, slightly silky finish that feels great to type on. My beta unit is fitted with Kailh White Rain linear switches as a placeholder, but the final retail version will offer a choice of new Kailh linear or silent switches, and they'll be hot-swappable for a bit of extra flexibility. Battery life has been really solid. ElimKeys claims up to 3 weeks on a single charge, and in my testing that fully checks out. Even with daily use and regular switching between devices over Bluetooth, I've rarely felt the need to even think about charging. Overall, the Elytra is a thoughtfully designed split keyboard that combines excellent build quality with real ergonomic benefits. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for both desk and on-the-go use, and the flexibility of the split layout really helps keep those long typing sessions comfortable. And that's a wrap for this video. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews. You can also find me on Instagram.